Ever wondered how ships generate and maintain fresh water at sea? Ships produce about 25,000 liters of fresh water per day at an average cost of 1 cent per liter. This water is used for lavatories, drinking, cooking, washing, boiler, and cooling operations. The two primary systems used on board are: 1. Fresh water generator uses engine heat to evaporate seawater, which is then condensed into fresh water. 2. Reverse osmosis system uses high-pressure membranes to separate salt from seawater. The fresh water generator relies on engine heat and seawater temperature for efficiency. It requires a minimum depth of 20 to 25 meters, 65 to 80 feet, to prevent air bubbles and sediment from entering the pump. Deeper water is also cooler, improving the evaporation and condensation process. Fresh water tank cleaning to prevent contamination and bacteria growth. Tanks are cleaned through: 1. Draining the tank completely. 2. Removing sludge with manual or pressure washing. 3. Chemical cleaning if needed to kill bacteria and biofilm. 4. Rinsing and inspecting before refilling with fresh water. Water filtration systems. Ships use multiple filters to maintain water quality. 1. Pre-filters. Remove large debris. 2. Chlorine and mineral dosing. 3. Cartridge filter. Requires regular replacement for drinking water at fountains. For UV sterilizers, kill bacteria and viruses for safer drinking water. Fresh water generator maintenance. Proper maintenance ensures efficiency and longevity. 1. Routine inspections for wear and tear. 2. Removing scale buildup from heating surfaces. 3. Checking pumps and condensers for performance. 4. Chemical dosing to prevent biofouling and scaling. Water quality testing. Ships ensure drinking water safety with: 1. Monthly onboard testing for contaminants. 2. Shore-based analysis every 6 months for thorough quality checks. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more maritime content. Got questions or experiences to share? Drop them in the comments. See you in the next video.